Here on WIX editor, the first one, if you want to copy the specific section on the same page, you can just click on the section. For example, I want to copy this section promotional. Just do a one click, and then at the right side of the section, you can just choose on more action by clicking on these three dots right here, and then click on duplicate, and there you go. Right now, there are two specific sections that I want. And then after that, you can choose to move the section up by clicking on this arrow aim upward. And then you can also choose this arrow aim downward to move the section down. And the second one, if you want to copy the specific section on the different page, you want to again click on the specific section, and then click on these three dots right here on more actions, and then click on copy. After that, you want to go to your top left of your screen, and then on the page right here, you can navigate to another pages. For example, I want to copy it to the FAQ page. Just click on FAQ. After you choose any page that you want to paste the section, here you can just click one time on the page and then do a right click and then choose on paste. And there you go. Again, you can just move the section up or move the section down by clicking on this arrow right here. And that's how to copy or duplicate section on the same page or on different page at WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.